Hey there, today we are diving deep into the world of resilient leaders and how they impact organizations and lead their teams. So let's get started. Resilient leaders are like the backbone of any successful organization. They possess a unique set of skills and qualities that help them to navigate through challenges with precision and professionalism. Their confidence shines through inspiring their teams to tackle obstacles head on. One key impact of resilient leader is their ability to create a positive work culture. They understand the importance of fostering an environment that promotes growth, collaborations and trust. By doing so, they cultivate a sense of belonging within their teams, which leads to increased productivity and overall job satisfaction. These leaders also excel at handling adversities. They remain calm and composed during tough times, providing stability and guidance to their teams. Their ability to adapt to changing circumstances is truly remarkable. They see setbacks as opportunity for growth and encourage their team members to do the same. Another way resilient leaders make a difference is by promoting open communications. They are actively listening to their team members' ideas, concerns, and even feedback. They do not only help in problem solving, but they also ensure that everyone feels valued and heard. By fostering a culture of open communication, these leaders empower their team to share innovative ideas and contribute to the organization's success. Resilient leaders are also great motivators. They inspire their teams by setting clear goals and expectations. They lead by example, showing a dedication and commitment to achieving those goals. Their unwavering belief in their team's abilities boosts morale and instills a sense of purpose in their work. Lastly, these leaders prioritize personal development. They understand that investing in their team's growth is essential for a long-term success. They provide opportunities for learning and development, whether it's through training programs or mentorship initiatives. By doing so, they not only enhance individual skills but also strengthen the overall capabilities of the organizations. In conclusion, resilient leaders have the profound impact on organizations and the teams they lead. Their ability to create a positive work culture, handle adversity, promote open communications, motivate their teams, and prioritizing personal development sets them apart. So let's strive to become a resilient leaders and make a lasting impact in our organizations. Keep pushing forward and remember, resilience is the key. If you are a leader and you want to elevate your leadership skills, then take a step now in your career which will avoid Take the next step in your career journey by joining our exclusive resilience coaching program for just leaders. Click the link below to explore how this program can empower you to navigate challenges, inspire your team, and achieve unparalleled success. Invest in your leadership resilience today itself, because great leaders don't just adapt, they thrive. Seize this opportunity and embark on a transformative leadership journey.